Today I had the opportunity to visit the Army Applications Lab, which is the public face of the Army Futures Command. It was an absolutely incredible opportunity. I was here with the Air Power Council, which is filled of just amazing, accomplished individuals. I learned really the nuances of where the Army's goals are regarding adapting current consumer and contemporary technologies into an Army arena and utilizing those technologies to better fight peer and near-peer conflicts.
Whoa! That's so cool.
So I'm a cadet. I'm a second-year cadet at TCU in Army ROTC, and as a future leader in the Army, I think it's absolutely vital to understand the new domain that the Army is going to be engaging conflicts in, and being able to adapt my personal leadership style to fit a more innovative Army and more effectively engage in modernizing warfare.